again. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am trying to make handmade paper. I am going to make rainbow colors handmade paper. To make paper, I am going to use recycled materials like my used book and my used worksheets. And I am going to use some dry flowers. Let's cut strips of paper like this. And it went like. I'm done cutting some papers. Now I'm going to pour water and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. Oh, this doesn't have legs only. So I'll use blue now. Blue. Let's see. My sketch pens are not working. I want to recycle them. Oh, I got an idea. Let's remove all the refills of the sketch pens and use it on my handmade paper. Oh, there's so much ink. It's been 2 hours up, so the papers are nicely soaked. So let's blend it. It's done! Pulp is ready! Now let's scoop it in this bowl. Let's take a clear bowl and add some water in it. Now we'll start with the color red and put it inside. As you can see, we can see a good red color. Now let's add a few dry flowers. Let's put 2 spoons of paper pulp. Let's start. As you can see, the paper pulp is being collected in this strainer. Use a sponge now to remove the excess water now. It's done now. Now let's flip this on the cloth. Our pink is ready now. Let's flip. Let's make orange paper. see our papers are dried or not. Oh, it looks like they have dried. So let's see how our papers are dried. These are looking very good. And our rainbow colors are also looking very good. These are the papers which I have not used colored.